Unlock seamless transactions with Payoneer. Let's explore exactly how to make payments using your account. Payoneer isn't just for receiving funds. It's a powerful tool for sending them to will cover paying other Payoneer users, settling invoices with businesses, and getting your money into your local bank account. First, to pay another Payoneer user, log into your Payoneer account and locate the Send Payment option, usually found in the main menu or on your dashboard. Enter the recipient's Payoneer account email address. Be sure to double-check this for accuracy, then input the amount you wish to send and select the currency. You can add a memo or a reason for the payment, which is handy for keeping track of your transactions. Once everything is confirmed, click Review to see a summary of your payment details. On the review page, verify all the information: the recipient, the amount, and the currency. If it's all correct, proceed to confirm the payment. You'll typically receive a confirmation of the successful transaction. Now, let's talk about withdrawing to your bank account from your Payoneer dashboard. Navigate to the My Account or Manage section and look for options related to bank withdrawals or withdraw funds. Select your linked bank account from the available options. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll find an option to add it here. Then, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and choose your preferred currency. Payoneer will display the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you confirm. It's important to review these details carefully. Review your withdrawal details one last time: the bank account, the withdrawn amount, and the final amount you'll receive. Once satisfied, confirm the withdrawal. Your funds will typically arrive in your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank and region. And that's how you can easily and securely make payments and withdraw funds with your Payoneer account, connecting you to the global economy. Stay connected for more tips on maximizing your Payoneer experience.